What's going on, guys? This is Ed from the design team here at Obsessed Garage. Today I'm here to talk about the new M-Series housing for new construction. So one of the things we really like about the regular design of this is that the actual housing itself, you're able to slide it to open it up to fit a larger space if needed. So this really allows it to fit different size openings depending on where you need to put it. When you find a position that you like, there are these little screws on the side, and these will go right into the 2x4s in the house. If you need this to be smaller than this size, there are little cutouts here on each side that you can cut down to be able to fit into a smaller space if needed. You can also adjust this vertically if needed by unscrewing these wing nuts on the top and bottom, and then you can adjust it vertically as well. It actually has inch guides on the side as well to determine exactly where it needs to be. And you lock that position in with these screws here. One of the other things it has is these little notches on the top. And what you use that for is to be able to line up the housing exactly to where it needs to line up with other housings as well. And that makes the lighting scene look a lot more clean when it gets to finalizing the stucco and sheetrock in the building itself. It also has these little notches, these little bumps out on the tops and side, and you actually punch those out to be able to wire in the electrical. These housings come in two different versions. You have a regular version here, and then you have a fire rated version. And both of those we actually would be able to get for you on the store. If you have any questions about lighting or you're looking to get into lighting for your home, feel free to reach out to us at Design at Obsessed Garage. We'll be able to help you get set up for the lighting.